You can see the original needles, everything. Like, it's just, and now look, we don't got no cluster. We just got straight frame. The new cluster. You can see the difference. Now I have 200 miles per hour. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, man, and today, bro, is actually Christmas, so I'm gonna say Merry Christmas to each and every one of y'all, man. I hope y'all spend time with y'all family and got the gifts y'all wanted and gave the gifts y'all wanted, you feel me? I hope everybody had a good day today. But I know y'all see by that title and that thumbnail, bro. What we gonna be doing today is, bro, I'm gonna show y'all how to install a Trackhawk cluster. This is the Trackhawk cluster right here. You can see the red needles and stuff in there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. But this is the this is actually a 20. I'm gonna put it probably on screen what year this is. It's either 18 or 21 is one of them. But this is a cluster I got off of eBay. So if y'all wanna know where I got the cluster from, I got it off of eBay, bro. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do the full cluster swap on any Jeep. And I know y'all boys can see right now I got I just added the light up steering wheel too, so that's new. I'm gonna probably make a video on this next, bro, for y'all boys, cause I know y'all gonna want to see this video. But today we just gonna show y'all how to swap this. So I'm gonna start. I ain't gonna start it up, but I'm gonna just turn it on so y'all can kind of see like what it's looking like. See, I got the old original cluster. Well, see, it's showing the SRT page. You can see the original needles, everything. Like, it's just regular. It's the OEM regular cluster and all that. But what we gonna be doing is I'm gonna cut it off. But to show y'all how to swap the cluster, first you see they got a bolt right here. I'm trying to. The steering wheel kind of in the way, bro, but I'm trying to put it like right here so y'all can see. In person, in your Jeep, you'll see they got a bolt right here. What you need is a, I believe it's like a T30. It's a little star bit. The ones that look like a star at the tip of it. No diddy, no none of that, man. I ain't want none of that, bro. Right there. So this is the first bolt that you'll need to unscrew. Yeah, it ain't that hard, bro, but I got it. See, I just wasn't trying to drop it. There you go. Let me see. Alright, I got it. It's right here. See this small, tiny little screw, bro? Like, that only thing I don't like about working on cars, bro, is the small, tiny, tedious little parts and screws, bro. That stuff be aggravating, bro. But next step, bro, to swap the cluster, you see this little black plastic trim right here? All you gotta do is just pull out on it. Well, pull like from the inside and just tug out a little bit. Like, I'm about to show you. Well, you can pull from the top, up from the side. I recommend like from the sides. And see, you gonna hear a snap. And see like how this part snaps out? All it is snapped in, bro. Like, as you can see, I just pulled it out. Unsnap this side just like that. And under, I'm gonna show y'all under, you just gotta unsnap it under as well on each side. And see I unsnapped it. Or unsnap mine. And once you unsnap it all the way around from under, you really don't gotta unsnap it all the way, but just make sure you can move it out the way. And as you're gonna see, they're gonna have two more screws. It's gonna be the same screws up here, but it's gonna be one down here, and they're gonna have one down here in this hole. But I already took this one out down here, so because I ain't wanna make the video too long, so I already took that one out. But I'm gonna show y'all boys. I'm gonna take this screw out right here. So it's just one more screw. But y'all gonna probably have both of them screws in. So all you gotta do is just unscrew these two little screws, or three. Let's see. My bad, y'all, for the camera view. I know it ain't the best, but I just don't want to drop the screw. Let me grab the screw real quick. see, these screws be small as a mud, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But once you take that screw out, just make sure you don't drop it, cause it's gonna. You drop screws, bro. You already know how that be. But now you should just be able to pull a cluster out. Like, see, it comes out just like that. But don't pull it all the way out. Just make sure you make sure you move the steering wheel out too. Move it all the way out and out the way. So my steering wheel already out. But just make sure it's all the way out the way so you can get the cluster out. But as you're gonna see though, on the back, they're gonna have a plug right here. All you gotta do, put your hand on the top of the plug, push down right here, and just pull out. There you go. And that's it. Once you unplug that, you should be able to pull this bad boy out. I suggest pulling it out from the side over here. It's a little bit easier, you feel me? And now look, we don't got no cluster, we just got straight frame and it looks crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie, but this is the Jeep with no cluster, bro. This is the old cluster. I'm gonna sit it right here so y'all can kind of see. And this is the new cluster. You can see the difference in both clusters, bro. But let's put it in. You feel me? I ain't gonna take too much time up. You know, just drop it in there. My steering wheel already out, so I can just drop it in from the front. But all you gotta do, put it in there. Oh, my bad. You see the plug? Look at the plug down there. Like, telling me I ain't even plug it in first. All right. Make sure you plug it in first, bro. It's really easy. It's the same plug on the back too. Let me show y'all just in case. Just in case. I know y'all gonna want to see. My bad, y'all, cause I wasn't about to show y'all. I ain't gonna lie. On the back, this is the 2018 newer cluster. As you can see, they only got one plug on the back right there. This is the newer cluster, right? And when I take the older cluster and I look on the back, they got that same plug. Only that one plug. Oh, my bad. But as you can see, we're gonna put it back in now. But all I'm gonna do first though, I'm gonna plug it in. Make sure you plug yours in first. So that's what we're gonna do. Grab a plug. It plugs straight in. It's the regular see, plug straight in. And as you can see, it's already on. As you can see. Now all I have to do, if I click ACC, I mean you can screw it. Of course you gotta. I'm gonna have to screw it back in, but you can see the difference. Now I have 200 miles per hour on the dash. The red and blue needles. Actually, when you swap your cluster, you actually do get SRT pages on the cluster if you swap your cluster. I think they actually had somebody say that, like a comment, a subscriber actually told me that. So if you do swap your cluster, bro, you will get SRT pages just on the cluster though. I'm not sure if you're gonna get them on the screen as well. I think you gotta probably reprogram something to get them on the screen, bro. But my stuff work. But as you can see, I just wanted to show y'all boys real quick. And the miles, everything do change, bro. But this one actually has, like, you can see this one has all the newer features from the. Let me actually turn the brightness. Yeah, let me see. There you go. So y'all can actually see. I said the brightness of the flash. But see, it even had the top speed of the current whoever drove with this cluster. It has everything from the actual whatever model year Trackhawk this cluster came from. It has everything from that truck, bro. So it's crazy. Only thing though that don't show up, the RPMs, everything actually work. Like, I can start it up real quick just to show you guys, but I'm in a garage, so I'm not gonna really start it up right now, cause I don't got it open. But as y'all can see, only thing that does not work is the gears. Well, it work, but like on the cluster, you can't really see what gear you're in. So that's the only thing about it, bro. So it's like, I'm about to start putting the screws back in. But that's really, I ain't gonna lie, that's really it to this video, bro. Y'all got any questions about the cluster or anything dealing with the cluster, bro, in this video, bro, that's all this video really gonna mainly be about. Just let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna get back with y'all boys, man. But once again, bro, Merry Christmas to each and every one of y'all, bro. I love y'all, man. It's about to be a new year. You know we about to turn up for the new year and all that. So just make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Young J. I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys in the next video, gang. We out. Peace.
Bro, no trigger half bad, every Glock came with extendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch Caprendo.